Reduced syllabus for standard 10 subject mathematics we are going to discuss in this video. Hello dear students and teachers. As you all know, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has reduced syllabus by about 30% for all the subjects for academic year 2021 because of this COVID-19 situation. So here I am presenting you the reduced syllabus of subject mathematics for standard 10th. Teachers, remember that teachers have to teach entire syllabus, but out of that only these topics which are given in this circular will not ask in the examination, means it is not for the examination purpose, and rest of the thing will be asked in the examination, means it is related to the examination, that whatever the reduced syllabus is, that student need not to prepare for the examination purpose, but they have to learn. So let us begin. Here, as we know, the mathematics syllabus is given in a reduced form, but the topics out of that, few sums are going to take in the examination and few are to be reduced. So which are the sums which are taken and which are reduced, that we'll discuss in this video. But this video will becomes too long as there are 15 chapters and so many topics are there. So this entire syllabus I will divide into two part, means I will discuss in two part of the video. In first part of the video, I'll discuss chapter number 1 to chapter number 7. And in next part, we'll discuss from chapter number 8 to chapter number 15. So let us begin with part 1. Mathematics Standard 10th, chapter number 1 to chapter number 7. Here I am presenting you the screen. You sit with your textbook. Students, I request you to sit with your textbook so that you can tick mark. Because whatever the syllabus which is given here, you might be confusing. So if you will tick mark in the textbook, you will be able to clearly understand that which topics are included and which are not. Take the textbook and pen and let us begin. Reduced syllabus for academic year 2021 standard 10 subject mathematics. You can see on the screen that serial number, chapter name and removed topic from the syllabus for 2020-21 is mentioned over here. But I will tell you which are the topics included and which are the topics excluded is mentioned over here. So stay with me. Let us begin with page number 1, chapter number 1, that is real number. On page number 1, you can see the introduction is given. This introduction is included in the examination. Come on page number 2, 1.2, Euclid's division lemma. This is the entire topic which is excluded from the examination point of view for this academic year. Then on page number 3, you can see that theorem 1.1, Euclid's division lemma is also excluded from the syllabus. Let us go ahead. Number 5, that is page number 5, example 1 is included in the syllabus. Remember that which are the topics which are included that I am talking about, and what are the topics which are excluded, that also I will tell you in sequence. So you can tick mark with the page number. First, as I told you, that is introduction part is included. Euclid's division lemma, in that theorem 1.1, Euclid's division lemma is excluded. Example 1 on page number 5 is included in the syllabus. Page number 6, example 2, 3 and 4, all these are excluded from the syllabus. You can see I have mentioned here also, example 2, 3, 4 are excluded from the syllabus for this academic year. Next, that is exercise 1.1, page number 7. In that, sum number 1, use Euclid's division algorithm for finding out the HCF, that is included. But in exercise 1.1, sum number 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 2 to 5 from exercise 1.1 is excluded from the syllabus. Let's go ahead. Page number 8, theorem 1.2. As I already discussed, theorem 1.1, theorem 1.2, which is given on page number 10, which is given on page number 8 is excluded. 1.2 theorem, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Then page number 9, example 5 is also excluded. You can see example 2, 3, 4 and example 5 on page number 9 is also excluded. Page number 10, example 6, 7, 8 are included in the examination. Page number 11, exercise 1.2. Question 1, 2, 3 and 4 are included in the examination. Remember this, included 1.2, 1 to 4. And similarly, 1.2 exercise, question number 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7 of exercise 1.2 is excluded from the syllabus for this academic year. Then next, 1.4, revisiting irrational number. This is the topic which is excluded, especially in it. Page number 12, you can see theorem 1.3 is excluded. On the same page, theorem 1.4 is also excluded. Means you can see all the theorem 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 are excluded from the syllabus. Let us go ahead. On page number 13, example 9 is excluded. Page number 14, example 10, 11, both are excluded. As well as on the same page, exercise 1.3, all the question 1 to 3 from exercise 1.3 means the entire exercise 1.3 is excluded from the syllabus, means you need not to prepare it for the examination. Let's come to page number 15, 1.5, revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expression. This is included topic, but in that on page number 16 you can see theorem number 1.5 which is excluded. On the same page, theorem 1.6 is also excluded from the syllabus. Page number 17, theorem 1.7 is included. Tick mark, this is the included topic. Then next, exercise 1.4, that is whole exercise is excluded from the syllabus, means no question will be asked from this exercise 1.4. All the three sums are excluded. This is all done for chapter number 1. Whatever the topics excluded, I have already mentioned example 2, 3, 4, 1.2 Euclid's division lemma. In that sum number 2 to 5 of exercise 1.1, example 5, exercise 1.2, question 5, 6, 7 are excluded. 1.4, revisiting the irrational number, in which theorem 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 excluded. Example 9, 10 and 11 are also excluded. Exercise 1.3 and 1.4 is whole exercise excluded. Theorem 1.5 and 1.6 is also excluded. I hope you understand this. Now let us go for next chapter, chapter number 2, that is polynomials. Let us begin with page number 20. 2.1 introduction is included. Page number 21, 2.2 geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial. This is also included. Means all the graphs included in these topics are there in the syllabus. Page number 27, example 1 is also included in the topic. Exercise 2.1, whole exercise. It has only one question and 6 subtopics in the question number 1 of exercise 2.1. The entire exercise is included in the examination. On the same page 28, 2.3, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial is also included. Students, take note of it. What is included and what is excluded, I mentioned it clearly. 2.3, relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial included, along with exercise 2.1 is also included. 30, page number, example 2, 3, page number 31, example 4, 32, example 5, all these are included. Page number 33, exercise 2.2 is the whole exercise. Both the question of this exercise is included in the syllabus. Page number 33, 2.4, division algorithm for polynomials is total topic is excluded. Example 6 on the same page number 33, example 6 is excluded. Even you can see example 6. Page number 34, example 7 excluded. Example 8 on the same page excluded. Page number 35, example 9 is also excluded from the syllabus. Page number 36, exercise 2.3, entire exercise, whole exercise is excluded from the syllabus. All the sum 1 to 5, all are excluded from the syllabus. Means in this chapter, 2.4 division algorithm for polynomials, in that example 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded, and exercise 2.3 whole exercise excluded from the syllabus. Let us go ahead. Chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the thing that we are going to discuss. That is chapter number 3. Let us begin with it. 3.1 introduction part, which is included in the syllabus. Page number 39, 3.2 pair of linear equation in two variable. This is the topic which is also included. All the things which are inside this topic is included, along with page number 41, example 1 is included in the syllabus. 42, example 2 included. 43, example 3 included. Exercise 3.1, the entire exercise, all the three questions of this exercise is excluded. Means this exercise 3.1 need not to prepare for examination. On the same 44 page number, 3.3 graphical method of solution of pair of linear equation is included. In that page number 47, example 4 is included in the syllabus. 48, example 5 included, example 6 included. Exercise 3.2, in which you can see exercise 3.2, in which question number 1, question number 4, question number 6 and question number 7 are excluded. It means 2, 3, 5. These three questions you have to prepare for the examination. Next, 3.4.1 substitution method. This is entirely asked in the prepare for the examination. You have to prepare for the examination. 3.4.1 substitution method. In that example 7, page number 51, example 8, page number 52, example 9. On the same page, example 10 is included. Page number 53, exercise 3.3, in which question number 1 and 2 is included in the examination, and question number 3 from exercise 3.3 is excluded from the examination. Page number 54, 3.4.2 elimination method included. Example 11 on page number 54 included. 55, example 12 included. 56, example 13 included. Exercise 3.4, question number 1 is included. Page number 57, exercise 3.4, question number 2 is excluded from the syllabus. After that, whatever the topics are there, all are excluded. You can see 3.4.3 cross multiplication method, in which example, you can see that example number 14, page number 60, excluded. 61, example 15, example 16, excluded. 62, exercise 3.5 whole exercise. In that, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. That means the entire exercise 3.5 is excluded from the syllabus. Next topic, that is page number 63, 3.5 equations reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. This is also excluded topic, in which example 18, first of all on page number 63 you can see example 17 excluded. 64, example 18 excluded. 65, example 19 excluded. 67, exercise 3.6, entire exercise, both the question of this exercise is excluded. The entire exercise 3.6 is excluded. Means in this 3.1 exercise whole excluded. After that 3.2, question number 1, 4, 6, and 7 are excluded. 3.3, question number 3 excluded. 3.4, question number 2 excluded. 3.4.3, cross multiplication method, entire methods sums are excluded. Example 14, 15, 16. Exercise 3.5, whole excluded. Next topic, equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable. Entire topic is excluded. That is example 17, 18, 19 excluded. Exercise 3.6, whole exercise excluded from the examination. Let us go for the next chapter, that is chapter number 4. You can see on page number 70, quadratic equation, chapter number 4. 4.1, introduction part is included. 4.2, quadratic equations, this is also included. Page number 71, example 1 is included. 72, example 2 included. Page number 73, exercise 4.1, whole exercise is included for the examination. Means entire exercise 4.1 you have to prepare. Page number 74, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization included. On same page number 74, example 3 is included. 75, example 4, example 5 is also included. Page number 76, example 6 is included. Exercise 4.2, all the question of this exercise are included in the syllabus. Means entire exercise 4.2 you have to prepare. Next topic, 4.4, solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. The entire topic is excluded, especially in this, the sums or examples, that is page number 80. Example 7 is excluded. 81, example 8 is also excluded. 82, example 9 is excluded. 83, on this 83 page number, example 10 is there in the examination, means it is included. Tick mark it properly. Page number 83, example 10 is included in the examination. Example 11, 84 excluded. Example 12 excluded. Example 13 is also excluded, and example 14, 15 are also excluded from the syllabus. Remember entire this thing. Means in this only example number 10 you have to prepare. All other example from 7 to 15. Actually here I have written up to 12, but 13, 14, 15, that is, sorry, 12 I told you that 12 is excluded. Example 13 on page number 85 is included, sorry. 85, example 13 is included. 86, example 14 is included. 87, example 15 is included. So the excluded examples are 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. Means you have to prepare example 1 to 6, example 10, example 13, page number 85, example 14, page number 86, and example 15, page number 87 is included. Exercise 4.3, sum number 1 is excluded. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all these are included. Then afterwards 9 to 11, 9, 10, 11, all these are excluded. Means in this 4.3 you have to prepare from sum number 2 to 8. 1, 9, 11 of this exercise are excluded. So again I'm telling, in question in chapter number 4, solution of quadratic equation by completing the square is excluded, in which example 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12 are excluded. All other example 1 to 6, 10, 13 to 15 are included. Exercise 4.3, question number 1, 9, 10 and 11 are excluded. All other are included. Let us go to next chapter, that is chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Let us move. Yeah, one more thing before starting this, that is included 4.5, page number 88. I'm talking about same chapter, chapter number 4. 4.5, nature of root is included, in which page number 89, example 16, example 17, page number 90, example 18, exercise 4.4, all the sums are included in the examination. Again, I'm telling, page number 88, 4.5, nature of roots. In that, 89, example 16, example 17, example 18, and exercise 4.4 is included. Means only these things are excluded from this chapter. Now let us start with chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Page number 93, 5.1 introduction part is included. 95, 5.2 arithmetic progressions is included. Page number 98, example 1, example 2 are included. Page number 99, exercise 5.1, question 1, 2, 3 are included. Question number 4 of exercise 5.1 is excluded. Page number 100, 5.3, nth term of the arithmetic progression, that is included. In that main topic, the subtopics which are included, will make the list out of it. Let us see on page number 102, example 3 included. Example 4, example 5 included. 103 page number, example 6, example 7, example 8 are included. 104, example 9 is excluded. 105 page number, example 10 is also excluded. Example 9, 10 are excluded. Exercise 5.2, sum number 1 to 15. Sum number 1 to 15 are included. 16 to 20 means 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Exercise 5.2, 16 to 20 are excluded, means sum number 1 to 15 of exercise 5.2 is included. Page number 107, 5.4, sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression, included topic. In that, 109, example 11 is included. 109 page number, example 12 is excluded. 110 page number, 13 and 14 examples are included. 111, example 15 is excluded. And on the same page, example 16 is also excluded. 112, exercise 5.3, sums 1 to 12 are included. And you can see here 13 to 20 of the exercise 5.3 is excluded. Means in this 5.3, sum number 1 to 12 you have to prepare. And 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 of this exercise 5.3 is excluded. So from this chapter, you can see 5.1, question number 4 is excluded. Example 9 and 10 are excluded. 5.2, sum number 16 to 20 excluded. Example 12, 15, 16 is excluded. Exercise 5.3, question 13 to 20 are also excluded from the syllabus. Let's go next chapter, triangle, chapter number 6. Introduction part, page number 117 included. 118, 6.2, similar figures included. In this entire topic, page number 122, Exercise 6.1, whole exercise is included. 1, 2, 3, page number 123. 6.3, similarity of triangle is included. Theorem 6.1 is excluded. See this, theorem 6.1 is excluded from the syllabus. Next, that is theorem 6.2, page number 126, excluded. On same page, example 1 is excluded. 127, example 2, example 3 excluded. Example 1, 2, 3 excluded. Theorem 6.1, 6.2 excluded. Exercise 6.2, question 3 to 10, all are excluded. Means in 6.2, you have to prepare only first and second question. Let us go ahead. Page number 131, theorem 6.3 excluded. 132 page number, theorem 6.4 excluded. 134 page, theorem 6.5 excluded. Page number 135, example 4 excluded. On same page 135, example 5 is included, tick mark. Example 6, page number 136 excluded. 136, example 7 included. See here, one is included, one is excluded. So hear it carefully. Those which are not mentioned in excluded are included. 137, example 8 is excluded. I hope you understand. Next, that is on page number 138, exercise 6.3. Question number 1 and 2 are included. Exercise 6.3, question number 1 and 2 are included, while 3 to 14 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, as well as 15 and 16, all these are excluded. Only question number 1 and 2 you have to prepare for 6.3 exercise. Page 141, theorem 6.6 is included. This is area related theorem. This is included, remember this. This is most important theorem also. 141, 6.6 included. 143, example 9 is also excluded. Exercise 6.4, example 2 to 7 means some number 2 to 7 is excluded. 6.4, question number 1 is included. 2 to 7 excluded. 8 is included and 9 is again excluded. Means in this exercise 6.4, you have to prepare only question number 1 and question number 8. I hope you understand. Then next, page number 145, theorem 6.8. That is most important theorem. It is Pythagoras theorem. It is included. I'm talking about theorem 6.8, most important theorem, and it is included. While this theorem 6.7 on the same page is excluded. 6.7 excluded, 6.8 is included, and 6.8 is a Pythagoras theorem, which is most important theorem for examination. Theorem 6.9 excluded, which is converse of Pythagoras theorem, but it is excluded for this year. Page number 147, example 10, excluded. Same page, example 11 is included. Page 148, example 12, 13, excluded. 149, example 14, excluded. Means 10, 12, 13, and 14 are excluded, while 11 example is included. Then we'll go for the next, that is exercise 6.5, in which sum 1 to 16 all are excluded, only sum number 17 is included. It means, in short, we can say that this topic 6.5, area of similar triangle, in which only few theorems are to be asked, otherwise the entire topic and most of the sums of this topics are excluded. So in this chapter we saw theorem 6.1. What are the excluded topics I'm talking about? In chapter number 6, theorem 6.1, 6.2 excluded, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5 excluded, example 1, 2, 3 excluded, sum number 1 to 10 of exercise 6.2 excluded, example 4, 6, 8 and 9 excluded, sum number 3 to 14, 15 and 16 of exercise 6.3 is excluded. 6.4, sum number 2 to 7 and 9 are excluded. Theorem 6.7, 6.9 excluded. Example 10, 12, 13, 14 excluded. 6.5, areas of similar triangles, in which 1 to 16 question of exercise 6.5 is excluded. Let us see next, chapter number 7, page number 155, coordinate geometry. Example 4 and 5 is excluded. Let us begin with page number 155. 7.1 introduction part included. 156, 7.2 distance formula included. 158 example 1 included. 159 example 2 and example 3 both are included. 160 example 4 and 5 both are excluded. Exercise 7.1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, all these questions are included, while 8, 9 and 10 are excluded. Exercise 7.1, 8, 9, 10 are excluded. Next topic, that is 7.3, section formula included. 162 page number I'm talking about. 164 example 6, example 7 included. 165 example 8 included. 166 example 9, example 10 included. 167 exercise 7.2, whole exercise is included. Means all the topics of this exercise will be covered in the examination. 7.4 area of triangle, this topic is excluded, means most of the sums from this will be excluded. That is example 11, 12, 13, 14, 169 page number excluded. 170 example 15. In short, example 11 to 15 on page number 169 and 170 are excluded. As the entire topic area of triangle is excluded, exercise 7.3 whole exercise is excluded. And 7.4 is the optional exercise which is normally not taken in the examination, means this entire exercise 7.4 is also excluded from the syllabus. So here we have discussed from chapter number 1 to chapter number 7, in which those topics which are included and those topics which are excluded from chapter number 1 to 7. In second part of this, we will discuss about the chapters, that is from chapter number 8 to chapter number 15, in which what topics are excluded and which topics are included. That we'll discuss in part 2 of the reduced syllabus done by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. This is what I have translated from the Gujarati circular as the English medium. For the English medium student, the circular has not given, so I have translated. But for more verification, whatever translation I have done, something might be wrong or right. Mostly it is correct. But if you want to verify, you can verify with the original circular that is in Gujarati, which you will get it on board's website www.gacb.org. You can compare with it and prepare for all these topics. Those topics which are included and those topics which are excluded, all I have discussed in part 1, standard 10 mathematics part 1, in which we have discussed chapter number 1 to 7. In part 2, we will see chapter number 8 to chapter number 15. Stay with me. Thank you so much.